Welcome to our Countertop Dishwasher Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher A01 and the Midea MDC22P1ABB. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and what sets them apart to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the AIRMSEN A01 offers 5-place settings, while the Midea MDC22P1ABB provides a slightly larger capacity of 6-place settings. This makes the Midea a better option for those who need to wash more dishes at once, especially in smaller kitchens where space is at a premium. The AIRMSEN A01 features 6 wash cycles, including options for delicate and heavy-soiled dishes. In contrast, the Midea MDC22P1ABB boasts 8 wash cycles, providing more versatility for different cleaning needs. This variety can be particularly beneficial for users who wash a wide range of dish types. Price is another important factor to consider. The AIRMSEN A01 is priced at $399, while the Midea MDC22P1ABB is more budget-friendly at $309. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution without compromising on features. In conclusion, both the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher A01 and the Midea MDC22P1ABB offer unique features that cater to different needs. The AIRMSEN provides a larger capacity and built-in water tank, while the Midea excels in energy efficiency and price. We hope this comparison helps you choose the right dishwasher for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.